But we're gonna go ahead and take a look here, see what we're dealing with. We got the Andromeda, kind of reminds me of a video game. Andromeda LM. It is a 14C 28N steel blade with blue micarta handle. So let's go ahead and dig in here. Bada bing, bada boom. Trivisa's been making some really nice bangers recently. Right, we've checked out quite a few back to back. And okay, we got all kinds of goodies here. We got the Batwing and we got the Lacerta here. We got 2 stickers from Trivisa. Interestingly enough, I have the Lacerta right here on the table. It is a T-Woods design and I have a video on it. You can look it up, Trivisa Lacerta Miguel EDC. And I also got the Batwing here. We recently checked it out here in the channel. Pretty awesome Warney looking Nessmuck Warncliffe looking blend here, looking pretty savage. So yeah, that kind of makes my point there for them making some good bangers here. We got a wiping cloth, we got some paperwork, and here is the knife. Now it's gonna be a little guy. It's gonna be a itty weedy little knife here. Let's take a look. Like 5th pocket carry, secondary knife. You have limiting local laws that prevent you from carrying a knife of a certain length type of deal. This is definitely gonna be a knife for those scenarios for sure. We have a wire deep pocket carry clip that's reversible on the other side for lefty, so that's a plus in my book. Lanyard hole solution back here for my lanyard people. Recess liners, and it's gonna be a good old button operated liner lock. I'm here for it, I'm excited. I'm not sure if I have seen models from Trivisa rocking a button operated liner lock, but here we go. Let's go ahead and send it, and bam, there is your blade, right? Got a little bit of an oval shape, opening hole there with a flat grind. Stone wash finish. There we go. We can actually flick it open. Spidey flick. Yes, sir. Let's try that again. Oof. Oh, yeah. That is nice. All right. Very sweet there on the open and close. Nice smooth ball bearing action there, as you would expect. Setting it down here for a second so you guys can take a closer look. So it's a little bit of a drop point blade with this little forehead looking section right here and some jimping on it. Good plunger grind situation. About right there where my nail is. Very slicey flat grind. And then we got a pretty decent handle here. I want to say with that finger choil, should be able to forward choke, right? Forward choke and get a full 4-finger purchase. Full 4-finger grip. That is the case, which is good. And as far as all the, as far as the ergonomics, I do feel the pocket clip a tad bit. That's about the only thing. I'm going to go 8.5 out of 10. Reverse grip. Well, that feels decent. Friday night gas station fighting grip. That's good. And then the Pacol grip. Probably not so much, right? Your palm is right against this edge right here, which is a very pokey edge there, to say the least. So I wouldn't recommend that. I tell you where this guy's going to excel quite a bit, right? If you have maybe like an office job and you don't want to take or carry a knife that will be intimidating, right? Take your Espada XL over to work. Something small like this will be obviously not that much, not going to draw that much attention to yourself, is what I'm trying to say. And you'll be it will be less intimidating to a non-knife educated audience, if you know what I'm saying. Before I knew about knives and EDC, I was guilty as charged. I would think that anybody carrying a knife would be a psycho killer, but that, turns out not to be the case. Little did I know. But now that I've been converted to the EDC gospel, yeah, I can tell you, obviously, they are very functional and capable tools. That's what this channel is all about, right? Educating about knives as tools, not weapons. And also will make a great secondary knife. So you have a primary and a secondary. Could be a good 5th pocket carry, like we said earlier. Definitely gonna fit that bill without any issues. Milling on the inside for weight reduction. And we have 2 standoff sandwich construction going on there. Happy to see other companies other than Vosteed and Kizer and Remette, right, take a stab at a button liner lock, which again, it's kind of overdue by now. It's the hot new thing that everybody's going to be wanting to do, and we're here for it. It is a stronger locking system than a traditional plunge lock button lock, and yeah, I just can't get enough of it. And last but not least, addressing the elephant in the room, guys, you're looking at a knife that's under 5.5 inches. That is coming in at like what, maybe 5.4. The blade is 2.25 inches and the cutting path is 2 inches. And then we have a handle length of just over 3 inches, like 3.1, yeah, 3.1-ish or so. Tiny little guy right here, the Andromeda LM from Trivisa Knives. Let me know your thoughts on this one.